They say that it takes 18 to 24 months to come back from bankruptcy. They say that people always ask the question, how fast can I come back from bankruptcy? How fast can I fix my credit from bankruptcy? How fast can I build my credit after a bankruptcy? The experts say 18 to 24 months. That's if you don't know what you're doing. Or that's if you're with a company and they just want to take your money, so they'll take 24 months to fix your credit when in reality it takes less than a year. Some people they able to come back in 90 days. Some people they even be able to bounce back in 60 days. And where can you find all this information? Well, luckily for you, you don't have to search no more hours on YouTube. You don't have to search up and down Google, left and right. You don't gotta do that no more. Because I have all the information you need to succeed in the Good Credit Cheat Code system. That's what this is about, Good Credit Cheat Code system. It helps you get the good credit that you deserve so you can get back to the life that you want to live. Because good credit is your right. You deserve the best. You deserve to live the lifestyle that you want to live and get approved for the things that you want to get approved for. You don't have to be denied anymore. I spent the last 10 years of my life searching high, searching low for all the secrets, and I put them all in one place. I tested what worked, what didn't work, and I put all the fastest methods into one system, and that's the Good Credit Cheat Code system. So it teaches you how to build credit fast. It teaches you how to use stuff that you already pay for every day, like rent, cell phone, how to get that reported to your credit report so you can start getting good credit points to boost your credit report score and everything up higher and get more good marks, because that's one of the major secrets to having good credit. You have to have more good stuff than you have bad stuff, and you got to remove the bad stuff. They say, oh, you can't remove bankruptcy from your credit report after. That's a lie. And I'm going to show you in my system exactly what letter you have to write, how you got to write it, and what you got to include in this letter so you can get anything removed off your credit report, including the bankruptcy, because that is your rights. See, when you don't know your right, people can tell you anything. They go, oh, you won't be able to do that. You have to wait 2 years, 24 months before you can get back right. No, you don't have to. My credit score was bad. I came back from where my credit score was in the 400s. I plugged in the system just to see if it worked first. I jumped up to a 740 score in 60 days. In 60 days, all I did was read and do. That's it. That's the recipe. It's easy as baking cookies. Like when you Google a cookie recipe or you search on YouTube for your favorite recipe, you just listen, you read, you take notes, and then you execute. You got to remember, success loves speed. If you're ready to be successful and get the credit that you deserve, goodcreditcheatcode.com is the way. That's what you need to succeed. So go to goodcreditcheatcode.com and go ahead, buy it so you can move forward with your life. You deserve it. Peace.